welcome back to another video, guys. It's Seafood Sunday, guys. You saw the previous video of us making this feast, and now you're gonna see us eat this feast, right?
Yes.
What do we have here, Kevin?
Swordfish steaks with peppers and onions. Okay. We made coconut crusted cheesy bread.
He made it.
We got lobster here. We got coconut shrimp and asparagus.
Okay. We have our hot sauces, Cholula,
And
triple X spicy, el yucateco.
stinging honey garlic.
Okay. We have bubbly. What kind of bubbly? The white peach ginger. Big Bertha.
And Big Bart.
Let's have some fun. Yes, guys, there's wine there. There's a wine glass. Adult beverage, guys. I know it's Sunday. I don't drink, but I bought this yesterday. It's called Sweet Bitch. Okay? A smooth, fruity Moscato Rose. All right?
Yep.
All right. Cheers, guys. Cheers. All right, thumbnail.
Yes. This is really gonna be a feast. I don't know if anybody's ever had swordfish.
Kevin, listen.
This is the first time.
I've never had swordfish, guys, before in my life. Okay? And I'm having it now. And I love onions. I love peppers. I love it. So I'm going to take all mine because I enjoy it. Very healthy. Okay. Oh my God. Do you smell it? Mm-hmm. Guys, we need smell-o-vision. Like, seriously, we need some smell-o-vision. Asparagus. Mm-hmm. But look how, even this looks so pretty. Even this plate looks so pretty like this, right? Mm-hmm. Oh, take your shrimp, man.
Sure.
Go ahead. I'm only gonna take maybe one more.
Sure.
Yeah. No, that's for you, babe. Cause I got this lobster too. Look at that.
Guys, Sunday.
Our Sunday dinner, guys. Ours, yours, and ours.
Let's catch this reaction. I've been waiting for this because I know her.
All right.
And he wants to swordfish steaks.
He wants my reaction with the swordfish. Okay. Oh my God, it's meaty though. Okay. It's good.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Or is it just okay?
It's okay. It's not my favorite fish. My favorite fish to date, you already know. You already know. Which one is my favorite though?
Striped bass.
Striped bass. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Striped bass for me, today's date is my favorite. It's my favorite tasting fish. Oh my god, it's my favorite tasting fish. It's not hard, it's flaky, it's juicy, it's not fishy. You know what I'm saying to you? Yeah.
Swordfish is a big game.
But you can
fish.
taste the lemon, babe, and you can taste the orange. You can taste it.
Very meaty.
Mm. 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 The asparagus. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Stop it. Take a bite, guys. Take a bite of this shrimp and this asparagus right here. Oh my lord. So good. Take a bite, guys. Take that bite. Mm. It's good. Mm. Mm. It's good. Mm. Okay.
Besides the shrimp, this was all made on the grill.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they saw it. They saw the video. The making of our seafood. Mm-hmm. Mmm. It's sweet.
Yeah.
Mmm. Mmm. So sweet. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Cheers, guys. Cheers to love. Cheers to happiness. Cheers to positive vibes. Cheers to loving yourself enough not to put yourself in any kind of harm's way. Cheers to, okay? What else, babe?
Prosperity.
Cheers to
Good
faith,
health.
good health, financial wealth, okay? Breaking generational curses.
Mm.
What else? Cheers to being kind. Cheers to being respectful. Cheers to positive vibes, okay?
Yes.
Cheers to if you love yourself enough, you will never put yourself in any harm's way.
Yes.
I said that. What else? Oh, cheers to not letting anybody or anything take you out of character. Cheers to working on your goals and obtaining your goals. Oh, oh my God. Sweet bitch. That's the name of the wine. And it's so good. They have all different kinds of wines. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Like peach ginger.
Yeah, I can smell the peach now. But you can't taste the ginger. You know what I'm saying to you? Smell it.
I might smell too.
No, yours don't smell like this.
Our show comes on tonight.
What show? Which one? Oh, the Browns. I look forward to it because it's something that I know that I will never do. Live in Alaska.
Mm-hmm.
I don't like the cold, guys. I hate the cold. And I hate using hate, that word hate. But I don't like it. But baby, smell this cup though. Smell it.
It's peach.
No, it just smells like it. It smells like I don't know. Your cup don't smell like
So
that.
take mine and give me yours then. So give me yours.
No, but you smell it, right?
Switch it.
Like
Give
you
me
like.
simple. Give me that one. I'll drink that one, and you drink this one.
No, I don't want you to drink it either.
There's nothing wrong with it. I washed them out. Not with no soap either. By hand. But I can switch with you. Just be gentle with Big Bart. He's heavy.
Big Bart is bigger than Big Bertha. So what are you talking about?
I said be gentle with him. He's heavy.
Mm. So good. This here, it tastes like the coconut.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you do?
Secret.
Oh,
I need to love secret.
it's the Gramita Love. I didn't make it though. You did.
It's part of the channel. I went into the Gramita Love recipe book. Yep. I don't take credit for this because eventually she would have made this.
Yeah, but what is
Eventually.
it? It's cheese, but it tastes like the
Yeah, coconut.
yeah.
Coconut breadcrumbs, cheese.
Oh, okay. Mm.
Red Lobster has Cheddar Bay biscuits.
Oh,
So, what's
you made it
wrong?
like that?
No, I made something better.
Oh.
So, what do you think? It's a gamey fish?
Yeah. Mhm. It's a gamey fish.
Can you taste the power in him and the
I
muscle?
can taste the fish in him.
Well, yeah,
it tastes like
it's-
fish.
Yeah, swordfishes. But we seasoned it with fresh garlic and fresh orange, fresh lemon. What else? Oh, Tony Cacciari's Creole seasoning. One of my favorites.
It's good though. It's good. It's just a different kind of seasonings for me because I don't, when I season my food, my meat, any kind of meat, I put a lot of seasonings, not salt, flavor. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
It's good though. Just you cook different. Everybody cooks different. This is how you was taught. By the way, guys, there's a story behind the swordfish making. And I told him to share it with you guys because you guys don't really know too much about Kevin. You guys know my story. But how did you learn how to make the swordfish,
My
babe?
dad used to make this.
Who taught you how to make it?
My dad, he was he liked fish.
You like fish
He
and
fished,
fishing, right?
Yeah, he introduced me to fishing. Thank God, because I love it. I was able to pass it on to her.
Yes, and I love it too.
He
I
would
just
make
love fishing on a boat though.
all big game fish. He'd make swordfish. He
Room
would
for
make,
more.
He would make shark. All big game fish, and he'd do it on the grill. I kind of watched him. He added a few little things of my own, and he'd like to make it with potatoes and stuff. He'd like,
And what kind of seasonings he used though? Did he use the same?
Paprika, like that.
Garlic.
I don't know if it was dill or one of those. Yes, garlic.
He used Irish seasonings. Like, cause
No.
he was Irish, so I figured he would use
he used
American seasonings.
Yeah, he was Irish, but he was born here.
Oh, so you're a third generation Irish.
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh.
I'm a second generation.
From what he
Dominican.
told me, he was a tough guy. You know, back then when he was a kid, there was a lot of gangs. You know, a lot of black versus white gangs.
Right.
You know, like that. This is going back to the 30s.
The 30s?
Yes.
That's how old he is? I mean, how old?
He was 50 when he had me.
He was 50 when he had
Mhm.
you? Oh my goodness.
Huh?
Wow.
So back in the 30s.
You see, I'm still learning about him. I don't know everything.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, it's just something. He was a great cook. He did the cooking in my family.
That's hot. I love that.
My mother didn't really cook. So, you know, when he made something like this, it was a big treat. You know, big treat. You don't have to do it with salmon. You can use anything.
This
the
is not
fish you
salmon.
like. No, but
This
and
is-
I mean
this is
swordfish.
swordfish.
You can use salmon. You can use tuna, whatever. As long as it's a good steak cut. Oh.
Guys, he doesn't drink, guys. He's in recovery. Okay? How many years, baby, you been in recovery?
I'm gonna be going on 4.
4 years. I'm so happy for him. I don't have 4 years under my belt though.
I used to drink beer. I was
lot.
a beer drinker.
A lot. But I'm so happy.
A lot.
Well, not me.
After 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, if you found me, I had cold beer. And a cooler full of it too.
Yeah. Yes, I remember those days.
I was a good Rite Aid customer.
Oh my God, Rite Aid in the sales.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, yeah, I remember those days. But anyway, guys,
We're not done.
I'm done. Oh, you want to crack that one?
Yeah.
All right. Guys, when I drink, when I feel tipsy, I get real happy, right, baby?
Mm-hmm.
I'm a happy drinker.
Yes.
I'm not a mean drinker. I'm a happy drinker. I get silly.
Not me.
He's a mean drinker.
Yeah.
Fight and mean.
Except for if I'm on the boat. That's the only thing I miss about drinking.
Being on the boat?
Yeah,
drinking on the boat?
Yes. Yes. Because it was a thing with me. I liked it. You know, but I don't miss it anymore.
Oh, my bad. Where's the thing at, man? Where's the cracker?
Boy, look at that.
Let me see. Oh.
And I dipped it in some of my sauce. Mm. Oh.
All right. You know there's meat in here, right, baby? You know that? Okay. There you go. I want to take it out whole. You know what I'm saying to you guys? I don't want to. Yeah. I want to take the whole claw out without breaking it. So they can see. Oh, I broke it, guys. I broke it. But you see? See what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I tried, guys. I tried. When it's bigger, you can do it. When the claw is bigger, you can do it. But look at it. Okay, look. It's missing this part.
No. Still meaty.
Oh, we have our own butter sauce, as a matter of fact, that we made, babe. Right,
Guys, just so you know, right before we started filming, we were outside and I saw a grasshopper on steroids. The biggest grasshopper I ever seen in my life.
It was
I
big.
never thought they'd get that big. He was about this big.
It's on my TikTok.
I'm not kidding. Yeah, go to her TikTok and see it.
Meet that love on TikTok. I posted it on TikTok. Oh, wait a minute. And I think I posted it on Facebook too.
Beautiful colors.
Oh my God, it was beautiful.
Beautiful. But just really amazing how big.
I'm not letting this go.
Right?
Yeah, it was huge. My whole hand. That's how big it was, right?
Yeah.
I put my hand to it so people can see how big it is. How big it was. And that's not the first time it's come. It's visited. I've seen the same one in the front. Where did it go? Oh, I seen the same one, baby, in the front of the house on this side by the main entrance. Yeah. Take the tail out, baby. You gonna cut it?
No.
You don't need to cut it? All right. It is good, babe. Concentration.
I'm hacking this thing.
Don't mess up your shirt. That's a pretty shirt. That's a beautiful shirt. I love this shirt. I love this shirt. It's one of my favorite shirts that you have.
Yeah.
Because it's button. I love button shirts on men. You know? Make you look, you know, more handsome. Okay.
The end result.
How tiny though? It's so tiny. Break it in half, baby.
No, go ahead, feast. I'm pretty good at it. Enjoyed my meal.
I'm dipping it in the butter sauce, baby, because this sauce right here, this natural butter garlic sauce that we generated from the fish and the asparagus is all mixed up here. Wow, it's good, baby. That was a feast.
Yes.
Oh my God. You know you can chew on these, right?
I told you guys he was the star of the show.
Oh my God. The juice is coming right in my mouth. Oh, baby.
Today's football Sunday.
Who's playing?
Giants in Dallas.
Oh, I'm watching it. I'm watching it. I think tomorrow, baby, we can go shopping what we need to shop for. You know, because I have a lot of things to watch. You know, it's Halloween month, guys. It's my favorite month. And that's the month where I catch up on all my old-time classic Halloween movies. You know, like Freddy, Jason, right? All those classics, Carrie.
I had to pull it from
I was watching Carrie.
The original.
The original Carrie.
The modern is not good.
It's my favorite month besides the month of May, which is our birthday. Halloween. You know, oh, wait a minute, guys. I have to share with you because you know my channel is transparency, guys. I have not been clean for a year yet. Okay, it hasn't been a year yet for me. Right, baby? Okay, and when my kids were young, Christmas for me was something really, really special. Because my Christmases when I was growing up, it was okay. It was good. But I just loved Christmas. And I always made sure that I bought everything and anything. And I started Christmas early. You know, when my kids were young. Guys, I bought my grandbabies a Christmas gift, and I bought my older daughters Christmas gifts already. So I already started buying shopping for Christmas, and I have to give myself kudos to that. Okay,
Yes.
I'm proud. I felt so good when I did it. It brings
100%.
tears because
We tried for several years to get her into the spirit of Christmas, especially me
Yeah, it's
and
been
one
a
of her
long time.
daughters. And
It's been a long time, and I'm not completely into the spirit, but I started. You know what I'm saying to you? I started. Guys, I told you that my story is deep. It's deep. But as the channel grows, guys, I'm going to tell you more about my life. You know what I've gone through and what I've done. Okay? But I just had to share that little piece because I felt so good yesterday. I mean, I felt like what? Like I had $1 million in my bank account, and I was about to go on a shopping spree for everybody. That's how I felt, and I just bought 3 items, right?
Mhm.
But anyway, it made me feel good. Cheers to that.
Yes.
Cheers to growth. Cheers to recovery. Okay. Cheers to happiness after recovery, right?
Yes. I'm her witness.
It's possible, guys. I'm living proof, guys. I am living proof, guys. Trust me, it is possible. You can enjoy life after recovery, after drugs. You can.
Yes.
Okay? Because I'm enjoying it. Yes, I am. But anyway, guys, we're full. I'm full. Everything's done, guys. Okay? I love you so much, guys, from the bottom of my heart. This right here, this platform right here, guys, is part of my recovery. Okay? I need you more than you need me. Okay? Anyway, don't forget to tap and tap again the like, share, and subscribe button. Okay? And that notification bell. Yes, guys, these are real tears. This is a transparent channel. Okay? I would never come here and lie about anything. Okay? Honesty is what I strive for every day. Okay? Anyway, what else? What's next? Taco Tuesday is one of my favorites. You already know.
How about how proud I am of you?
You proud of me?
Yes.
Thank you, baby. Give me a kiss.
Yes.
Now,
100. Look at her. Look at. Do you see?
Anyway, guys.
If you knew her,
they don't know.
Ooh.
But anyway, guys, I told you I am a walking miracle. What you see here is a walking miracle. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you for being here. I really genuinely mean that. You didn't have to be here. You could have been doing something else. You could have been watching something else. You could have been cooking your Sunday dinner. You could have been in church or, preparing for the week, But you're here watching us. Kudos. And if you watched us to the end, more kudos. And we're going to count to 3, okay? We're going to gather all the positive vibes, okay? And love and positivity. And we're going to spread it on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Get it? I get it. You get it. I get it. You get it. I get it. You get it. Guys, I love you so much, okay? By the way, this is one of Kevin's favorite days of the week. Seafood Sunday. Yeah. Seafood Sunday is one of his favorite. Yeah. Seafood Sunday, I don't know, is one of his favorites. What is that, baby? Oh, the anchor. The fishing anchor. I mean, the anchor.
Love of the water.
Oh, the love.
Seafood.
Okay. Anyway, guys. Bye.